libraries. This situation not only disturbed the academic environment of the university, but also demoralized the faculty and officers of the university. Since then, we have come a long way, and it's a matter of pride for us that University of Balochistan has succeeded in making numerous forward strides in spite of the financial crunch. This has been possible through the stringent measures taken by the university on account of effective planning, programmatic resource management, and dedication of our faculty and administrative staff. Now we are being cited as a success model in the education sector of the country. We started from zero, keeping in mind that the objective to give the society a best institution of higher education where students of Balochistan feel free to get education in conducive atmosphere. My prime goal was to strengthen university financially so that we provide maximum facilities and opportunity to students to pursue their higher education and carry out research in a professional manner and pass out as a qualified and respected graduate from the university. Ladies and gentlemen, University of Balochistan is a mother university of the province and ranked in W category, which is the top category by Higher Education Commission. Sir, we are the only university that Higher Education Commission allows us to run 30 program of MPhil and PhD that are the maximum program throughout in Pakistan. University of Balochistan ranked 4th in Pakistan and 347 among 729 universities of the world as a sustainable campus according to the Green Matrix World University Ranking. University of Balochistan ranked 48th in Pakistan among 250 Pakistani institutes and topped Balochistan according to Webometrics 2018 by Spanish National Research Council in Research and Academies and 4,748 among 15,000 institutes worldwide. Sir, your patronage. Moreover, day before yesterday, one of our constituent law college has been ranked 6th among 36 schools of law running in Pakistan. That's a great achievement. And thank you very much for your continuous supports in uplifting the law, especially education in Balochistan. University of Balochistan including the top 7 smart universities of Pakistan. Under the development program funded by the Higher Education Commission, we have completed a number of projects in the campus and had been successful by bringing new development projects to the university. Recently, Honorable Chancellor has inaugurated our TV station and FM radio at Medium and Journalism Department, and also our Jungle Bagh campus has also been inaugurated by the Chancellor on his arrival to Balochistan University. I feel proud to share that University of Balochistan has established 5 new sub-campuses, such as University of Balochistan Sub-Campus Kharan, Mastoom, Pasheen, Kila Saifullah, and state-of-the-art city campus Quetta, where our sons and daughters studying in conducive atmosphere. Let me to tell you, when I took over as a Vice Chancellor back in 2013, the number of students were 2,900 in the main campus. Alhamdulillah, by gaining the trust of the civil society, today within the campus we are having 15,000 students in our campus. That shows the trust of the civil society on part of the University of Balochistan. We are very much serious to provide best opportunity to be our beloved students to achieve their academic milestones. Not only this, I am also committed to strengthen our faculty and officers to have advanced knowledge and research opportunities in their professional career as well. I feel no hesitation to say, for UOB, I have been personally targeted on social media by some illiterate group who doesn't want demoralize me and my team and don't want to see University of Balochistan flourishing. Not only me, but my team member face such things on social media, in fact, humiliated. But I assure you that we will not leave any stone unturned to make this university a world-class university, inshallah. Let me to take this advantage of this event today and share with you all that there are a number of foreign ambassador diplomats who visited University of Balochistan, such as Chinese ambassador, European Union ambassador, Swedish, French ambassador, and Turkish diplomat. A number of projects and joint ventures have been planned and initiated. I feel happy to share with you the establishment of the Chinese Language Center, and we will also have establishment of Department of Musicology in collaboration with the German government, and going to commence the classes very soon. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the same university where people refuse to come even for routine exam, Viva exam, and academic activities from our own country. I feel honored to share we made this university so credible, where 2 years back, President of Islamic Republic of Pakistan came and presided over the 14th Convocation. Our Office of the Research, Innovation and Commercialization, ORIC, is fully effective in developing linkages with national industries. And recently we have been one United Nations Development Program project from different national institutes of higher education and going to establish Government Innovation Lab to achieve Sustainable Development Goal under UNDP umbrella. University of Balochistan has a strong ORIC that arrange annually province's largest R&D event, Innovation Summit Balochistan, that provide platform to government, industry, academia, and exhibit, present and display technologies for Balochistan, and also to distribute innovation award for province unsung heroes in education, science and social sector. ORIC also successfully executed University of Balochistan Research Fund, our internal research fund for our researcher, using well-designated transparent process. In 2018, University of Balochistan won larger number of research products, that is 7 from a single research venue ever by any university of the province.